Hello. To change the border color, you click on color, then you click on the color you want. You have like red, you have an option from red, pink, another pink, green, another blue, orange, and one etc. And one option that says automatic. Automatic is the one that depends on the background, and it adapts its color according to the background image you have. For now, let's say that you want green, for example. This green. If you want to fine-tune the green, you can do so through here. I'm just going to leave it to the defaults. Save changes. Hit close. There you are. Now to go to on the start menu, this theme, this background that's on the background, it might seem too plain. So if you want to change it, move your mouse to the bottom right corner and you should see some icons pop up. Go over to settings, go to personalize, and then you choose one of these presets. For example, you can have it at this one, or you can have it on this one, etc. And if you like a theme, however you don't like the colors, you can change them here, the background color and the accent color. The accent color is when you move your mouse over to the bottom left corner, you'll see like a start thing pop up. and that's going to be the color of the accent color. There's also an option to make the start screen, the theme or the background of the start screen, to be the desktop background. That's an option. So I'm going to leave it there. And another thing is that you might not be used to at all to this Metro stuff, which is this new start screen that came in since Windows 8. So there's a free program called ClassicShell.net. There's a free program called Classic Shell, which you can find in ClassicShell.net. ClassicShell.net. And that one gives that modifies Windows, some Windows stuff in Windows 8 or Windows 7 to make it look like an old version of Windows, in the sense of adding a start menu or changing something in the file manager, or even change something in Internet Explorer. For example, making it look like Internet Explorer 9, which had the toolbar thing that you can modify it. So here it is, and you click download. My internet connection is kind of slow. I'm going to download it. Once I've downloaded it, I will resume the video. Okay, so here we are, Classic Shell. Hit next. Read the license agreement. If you accept it, click accept. If you don't, then click cancel. Since I accept, click next. You can leave the defaults if you want. However, if you just want the start menu, and where it says Classic Explorer and Classic IE, click those, and then click the X icon. Classic Explorer reverts the file manager back to Windows XP, in the sense that it has a toolbar. And when you, for example, there are file conflicts, when you have to replace a file with another, or there are two files with the same name, it has a cleaner interface, and that's what it says here. It replaces the copy UI. Classic IE is what I said, that lets you customize the title and the status bar of Internet Explorer, just like Internet Explorer 9. If the start menu is to make it the old start menu. I always recommend to leave this on, no matter what other ones you have checked or not. I recommend this one to be checked, because this one checks for new versions of Classic Shell, and if there's a new version, it updates it. So hit next, hit install, and wait for it to install. I'm in Windows, since Windows V stand up now has user account control. So when you try to install a program, by default it would all ask this. Hit yes. Now it has done installing. If you want to view the README, leave this checked. Click finish. This is the README, FAQ or the forum, and report problems, etc., etc., etc. Now, this classic start menu still doesn't have anything. So you right click, hit settings, go to start menu style, and you can choose any of these presets. For example, classic style, like Windows XP, the Windows 2000. This is like another version of Windows 7. And this is the default Windows 7 version. This one. Weird. It's okay. Normally, however, it will not come like this. Normally, when it's in Windows 7 style, it will come up like this, which is still too Metro-like. Or if you like it, it's okay. But if you still like it more like Windows 7, you can put it at Windows Arial. And you have this one, which is completely like Windows 7. You can customize some things here, some stuff here. Skip Metro screen means when you log in, it normally goes to when you normally log in, it goes to the start screen automatically. If you click skip Metro screen, it will actually go directly to the desktop instead of going to the Windows Metro screen. Okay, so that's basically about it for this video. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention it. This start button is great. However, if you're not used to this, you can always use the one that was like Windows 7, like this, or Windows XP. Or if you have an image that you want to use instead, you can use that. And also, this classic style, you can further customize it here with the skins. For example, to make it like a Windows XP like, old Windows XP like, you can have in Windows XP Luna, Smoke Glass, etc. This can be all figured out by playing with the configuration. I'll leave it for Windows 7 for now. If you ever want to back up this configuration because you're playing with it and oh no, you made something wrong, you can back it up somewhere as an XML file. Hit save. And then if you did something wrong and you want to revert it from that backup, then you hit load XML file, and that file that you had just saved, double click it, and it reverts to the old configuration. So thank you, that's about it for this video. Thank you, and have a nice day. Hello, sorry. Something happened with the video recorder, sorry.